Hi, this is P5 topic. Whole numbers, draw a diagram, right? In this question, they talk about the area. Okay, let's begin. The rectangular piece of carpet is placed on the floor of a function room, leaving a margin of 1 meter around it. The room measures 31 meter by 18 meter. Find the cost of the carpet if 1 meter square of it costs $21. Alright. So there's a few things that the child needs to pick from here. The key concepts of here is example number one, they need to understand the word margin. Margin will be, if you notice on the diagram, okay, that the one in black, the bigger rectangle is the room, and the smaller one in blue will be the carpet. And the margin means the arrows around it, leaving 1 meter equal for all sides. Okay. Oh yes, by the way, when I received this question, the diagram is not drawn for them as what you can see on the slides. Okay, the child needs to visualize and get themselves to draw according to their understanding. Okay, so the concepts to understand the keywords that they mention here is quite important for them. Okay, so that's for the margin. The next they need to understand is the 31 meter by 18 meter. 31 meters here refers to the length of the room, and the 18 meter refers to the breadth. Okay, and they need to know when they ask for the cost of the carpet, is actually asking on the area, about the area of the carpet. So you need to prompt your child if doesn't really get the idea that they actually asking for area. Okay, you need to really prompt when they talk about cost, or when you put a carpet, maybe you can give a scenario. We have a carpet that we put on the floor. When we want to buy the carpet itself, it's filled up, on the floor. So we are counting it as area, the inside or the outside, the perimeter along outside the carpet itself. So if they prompt you and tells you it's area, then means they get the concept right. Else we need to keep prompting and get them to really understand of the words when they make use of the sentence itself. Okay, so let's begin with the steps. The first steps we need to find, to know the cost of the carpet, we need to find the area of the carpet itself. Some schools, I understand, they break the steps whereby they get the students to find the length separately. So the length itself, okay, let's focus back to the diagram. The longer, let's focus on the horizontal lines, okay, the 31 meter, the one in red. So 31 minus the 1 meter on the right and the 1 meter on the left, that will be 31 minus 1 minus 1, that will be 29 meter. That will be the length of the carpet. Then we come to the breadth, which is the horizontal line. We'll see on the right side 18 meter for the breadth of the room. We minus off the 1 meter margin from the top and 1 meter margin from the bottom. That will give you 16. That will be the breadth of the carpet. So to find the area of the carpet will be length times breadth, which is 29 times 16, which is equals to 464 meter square. Alright. Or we can do the second way, which I strongly agree. Whereby if you notice the area of the carpet, I straight away write length times breadth, which is 31 minus 1 minus 1. We bracket it up, times 18 minus 1 minus 1. Okay, we are actually doing the same as what we are doing on the top, only that we eliminate the unnecessary steps. Why I recommend this? Because in P5 onwards, or P4 in fact, P5 onwards, we already streamline and already make the practice of PSLE. It is quite crucial so that it doesn't waste time. So we eliminate the steps that is not necessary, that can be done in one step rather than 2-3 steps. You can done in one step. So we practice that in Smart Excel. So we actually streamline and practice your child to the PSLE concept. Alright. So when we have that, we have 29 times 16, which is equal to 464. Next, from this area, once we find out, we can always get, yeah, so this is the recommended one. So we can always get the cost of the carpet, which is 464 times 21. So that's how we find the cost of this carpet. This solve this question. So remember, again, we need to explain for the child to understand, number one, how to draw, visualize, understand the key concepts or the keywords that they give, like the margin, the area, the length and the breadth, the 31 meter by 18 meter. So these are the key things that they need to understand before they can actually draw the diagram, and from there they are able to solve. If your child is average and above, please get them to do the recommended one so they don't waste time. They are more directed in their and they save lots of time. They can spend their time on other questions and focus on other questions. If your ones is slower ones for a start, it doesn't matter. You can still go for the first one. But as they get better, do try the shorter methods for them. Okay. So I hope you find this video useful. I'll share you more on the next one. Thank you.